You got them eyes looking through to the sunrise. It's too easy, man, it's plain to see. You're making my dreams come alive in the nighttime.
What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. I really appreciate it. I'm really glad you're here. Today I have for you my Boxycharm unboxing for October, and included in this video, because I received such good feedback on my last video, will be clips of me using it. So it is a little bit later than most, but I'm going to insert some clips of myself using the product so that you can see them in action. Most of you said you really liked that, so I'm going to try to continue to do it this way. So inside of my Boxycharm box is the customary pamphlet. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, it's a $21 a month subscription service that includes 4 to 5 full-size products, usually luxury brands, and it's one of my favorite subscriptions. It probably is my favorite. So every month they have a theme, and this month's theme is alter ego, and that always makes me think of Geminis because I'm a Gemini. Geminis are the twins, and I always say beware my alter ego, and that's actually Miss Thang. If you guys are wondering who Miss Thang is, it's my alter ego. You don't want her to come out. She's full of sass. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started talking about what is in this box. I will save my assessment for the end, and I will also make an annotation of how much the entire value of the box is once we finish. So the first product is It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. And the funny thing about this is I thought I really hated this mascara because apparently I got a faulty contraption the first time. And the reason I call it a contraption is because I don't know what it's called. The little lip inside of the mascara that when you get to the end of the wand pulls some of the product off. When I pulled out the brush, a lot of product came with it, and it just all clumpy. I tried to like wipe it off on a tissue and it just was not happening. So I wasn't even sure if I wanted to use this, but then I thought I'm doing demos in this video, so I guess I'm going to use it. I threw away the other one. So I had better luck with it this time. Much better luck with it this time. I'll read you what it says on the pamphlet. It says, wrap your lashes in lengthening, volume boosting, and ultra conditioning formula. I'm thinking they left a word out. Wrap your lashes in lengthening, volume boosting, and ultra conditioning formula. How about wrap your lashes in this lengthening, volume boosting, and ultra conditioning formula? Sorry, I had to be a teacher for a minute. The elastic stretch technology and the ultra black tint make for the thickest and most defined lashes ever. It retails for $24 at It Cosmetics. And I like the wand. Looks like that. I like the formula. It's kind of a medium. It's not wet, it's not dry, it's kind of in between. You do have to be a little bit careful with your application. You do have to make sure you're separating your lashes out, because once they get together they're going to stay that way. So I like to build this up slowly. I'm wearing it today and you can see me putting it on. I'm super precise and super careful, because if you don't make sure to take care to fan things out, you can end up in trouble. But it does give a lot of volume, it does give a lot of length. It didn't grow lashes this long, I promise you, but it will make your short stubby lashes look like you actually have some. So I do like this product. It's funny how you can just write off a product thinking it's just terrible when maybe you just kind of got a dud, and that's what I did when I got this one. Alright, next, obviously I did not use this one yet. I don't know why I've been so intimidated by masks lately, and I've gotten several interesting ones, and I guess I'm just like, oh my gosh, what's it gonna do to my face? Anyways, this is by Dermovia. It's Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. It says this detoxifying charcoal peel paste in lace compression mask offers spa-like extraction results. The naturally blended peel paste in conjunction with the mask grips into the skin, helping to further draw out impurities for a deep decongestion and exfoliation experience. It retails for $30. And it says that it has 2 lace masks in it. And I looked at the back. If you look right here, it shows that like the face, the mask part goes over and it like hooks up around your ears. But it says not to get it in your eyebrows, not to get it in your lashes, not to get it in your hairline. So that makes me think that any hair that's there is going to be pulled out. If I understand this correctly, and somebody who's already used this can tell me, I think you put like a pretty sticky type of mask on, and then I think you press the lace into it. I think I'm remembering that I've seen something like this before, and I think you press the lace down into it so that whenever it comes time to pull it off, it comes with it. And I think anything that's underneath it comes with it. So I think that might be a really good thing. I'm not sure. I'm a little scared of it, but I'm also a little intrigued by it. So I don't know. If I do this, I might do it on camera. I might need some moral support. Would you guys be there for me if I decided to do this on camera? Maybe me and Denny need to get together for a Mask Monday and do this together if she hasn't already. Makes me a little bit nervous. Okay, next is the palette, and that is the Pure Midnight Masquerade palette. And I just think that the packaging of this is so beautiful. I think that the mask and the confetti and just the gold and white and black, I just think that's super beautiful. When I got inside of it, I was a little bit, I don't know, I was just unsure about this. I'm sorry, I don't know how to cover that up. There we go. I was a little unsure about this. I was unsure about this because I had all these shimmery blushes, maybe one highlighter, but the rest of these look like blushes, and they were all shimmery. And I don't know how I feel about shimmery blushes. It smells good. I didn't notice that when I was using it. It smells good. And then it has 1 matte and 5 shimmers. And I don't know, maybe it's a preference thing, but I really prefer to have a light, a mid-tone, and a deep matte in with a lot of shimmers, because I just feel like I need the light one to highlight my brow bone, I need the mid-tone one to start a crease like as a transition color, and I need a deeper brown or black to darken if I'd like to. And whenever those are missing, I just feel like I can't get a whole look out of it, and it just irks me. It makes me wonder why people make palettes like that, and then I think, well, guess what, Sherry? The whole world doesn't revolve around you. Maybe people like it exactly like this, and maybe it's your taste that is different than everybody else's. I don't know, but I do think I used the blush here for part of the eyeshadow. All of a sudden I'm not remembering what I did. I don't know what I used for a transition. You're gonna have to refer to the video, to the replay. Anyways, you guys, I got a pretty look out of it. I did combine the eyeshadows and the blushes for the eye look, and you'll get to see that in my clips. Was I blown away? No. Are there some pretty colors? Yes. I mean, I like this purple one. I like this light blue one. They're pretty, but they're pretty colors. And I know my friend Courtney really likes this. She always likes the ones that everybody seems to hate, and I don't hate this. It's just not my favorite. There is nice pigment, and there's some interesting colors there. I just thought that the matte that they did have in here was too dark. But if you're looking for something to deepen your crease with, and I didn't swatch that all, I am not a good thumb swatcher, you guys. Anyway, it's not a very good shadow. I don't know, the color story here doesn't make a lot of sense to me. It really doesn't. But I think I came up with a pretty look. since I'm swatching, I might as well go ahead and swatch the highlighters and the blushes. I'll do that on the other hand. I really do like this burgundy one. I did use these as blush, or I did use that as a blush at a later time, and I did like it. You just had to shear it out. So I think I need to quit being so close-minded to shimmer. But I don't know why, like I just have an aversion to anything, any bronzer, any face product that is not matte. I don't know why. I don't know why I can't deal with a little shimmer everywhere else when I want it on my eyes, like galore on my eyes. So I don't know, maybe I need to open my mind. Maybe I need to free my mind. I would sing that En Vogue song, but I've been getting nasty grams about singing songs in my videos. When I do that, they say, oh, guess what? We're not going to give you a strike, but we are going to make you share your revenue with somebody else. So I won't be singing En Vogue today. I know you're so disappointed. I know you're heartbroken even. You'll be all right. All right, next is a Briogeo product. And I love Briogeo. I know some people think that it's overpriced and overrated, but I haven't had a Briogeo product that I didn't like. This is a Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. I had a Rosarco Milk leave-in conditioner by them that I loved, and it's super thick, and I opened this to see if I could mix it with some of my other, let's see if it'll, there we go. Oh man, that smells good. And why can't I smell something without getting it all over my nose in a video? It's beyond me. But anyways, it smells delicious. And I like to mix it with Matrix Instacure. I put Instacure on my hair every day, and I have for the last 20 years. So I like to mix these kind of things. But anyways, I don't think I told you, I didn't tell you the retail price of this Masquerade palette is $38. And then next for the Briogeo. It says it's a super moisturizing and strengthening leave-in conditioner that provides repair benefits and beyond. Its unique formulation of macro encapsulated argan oil and optimal blend of transformative nutrients that include B vitamins, coconut oil, algae extract, and biotin helps promote healthier hair that will leave you feeling your very best. And this retails for $16. I love Briogeo. Like I said, I haven't had a product from them that I didn't love, and so I'm happy to have this too, but I'll mix it with my Instacure and use it whenever usually whenever my hair's wet, I spray that on it, or whenever I'm putting my hair up or needing to tame some frizz, I use it then. Alright, last but not least, I have a Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Bow and Arrow. I know there were variations, and in case you were wondering, my box variation is 2, and I have seen lots of other shades, so I know there were a variation of shades, but I know most of the ones that I have seen, besides the one that I got, I already had. So I was happy to have this one, and I've seen this before many times, and it didn't look like it looks here on the people that I saw it on, and it didn't look like on me the way it looked in the tube. So I'm going to swatch this for you. I really ended up liking this. It's kind of a nice warm taupe, and it has a little bit of rose in it, but it's mostly brown. And the thing I liked about it is it's kind of a deeper nude that you can wear whenever you're wanting a cooler tone lip. Not so pinky. If you want more of a brown tone lip that's not peachy and not pinky. This is nice little brown. I don't know. I would call it maybe like a dark taupey beige. I don't know how to describe it, but I really did end up liking it, and I was surprised at how much I liked it. It looked perfect with an eye look that I wore the other day. I'll insert a picture here if I have it. I think I probably do. But this retails for $20. And I'm happy to have this. Alright, out of all these things, guys, I guess I'm most excited about the Everlasting Lipstick and the Briogeo hair mask. I am very intrigued by this. intrigued and scared. I'm happy to have these two also. I don't know how much use I'll get out of this. Honestly, guys, every time I see Pure, I kind of go wah wah. And I don't mean that I don't think that they're good at all. It's just that I don't, very infrequently do I understand why they put particular colors together. That's where I would love to hear from the person who created it and what their inspiration was and what their vision for it was, because I think that would be helpful in knowing kind of what they were going for when they put this together and why they chose to put these shades in and leave these out and these finishes, etc. So, all right, guys, the retail value of this box is $128. Pretty good deal for a $21 subscription. I always feel like I get my money's worth. Even if there's items that I give away or I put in a giveaway or that I don't particularly like or they don't work out for me, I still feel like I got my money's worth. I always do. And I'm still always super excited for my Boxycharm to come. I'm even more excited about this Boxy Luxe that's going to be coming in December. Cannot wait, because I already know a few of the things that are in it, and I got an email that said that they're going to let us customize it a little bit, so I like that. It's kind of following the lead of Fib Fat Fun. It's kind of following the lead of Fab Fit Fun. That wire is still crossed, just in case you were wondering. All right, guys, that's it. That's enough of my craziness. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you continue to enjoy the picture-in-picture with me using the products while I'm telling you about them. And if you did like that, please let me know in the info box. If you prefer just a straight unboxing, let me know that as well. I will do it however you guys like it the best. Or maybe if you like both ways, I'll alternate. I'm not always gonna have time to do it this way, but the last few times I was, so I'm glad you like it. Thank you so much for the feedback that you've given so far. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys.
Baby, you're the only girl that I could ever want. I can be your A1.
And if you're not familiar with Boxycharm, it is a $21 subscription service that you get every month, and it includes 5-6 full-size products, usually luxury blend. I almost got through it for the first time in my life. I was like one word shy. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, it's a 20-month... I just jinxed myself. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, it's a $21 a monthly. Alrighty then, we got. Yeah. So, I'm gonna add this up for you. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add this up for ya.
You got them eyes looking through to the sunrise. It's too easy, man, it's plain to see. You're making my dreams come alive in the nighttime.